Good morning, everyone, and welcome to open discussion what are the costs of climate change and how can we minimize its impact. Climate change is one of the biggest change of all time. So let's begin by understanding what actually costs. Juan, could you start us off?
The biggest cause of climate change is increased greenhouse gas in our atmosphere, mainly carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxides. This gas trap heat leading to global warming. Most of these emissions come from burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas for electricity, transportation, and industry. The deforestation also plays a major role because when we cut down trees, we reduce the Earth's ability to absorb the carbon dioxide.
Mày á.
Thank you, Hoàng. That's very clear, Maria. You focus on sustainability. What other human activity contribute to climate change?
Another major cost is agriculture, especially livestock farming, cows release large amounts of methane, which is very powerful at warming the atmosphere. Also, producing food often involves killing forests, using fertilizers that release nitrous oxides, and running machinery that burns fossil fuels. Industrial processes like producing cement and plastic also emit greenhouse gases. In short, our lifestyle choice, from the food we eat to the products we buy, add to the problem.
Good points. Dương, you work environment policy. Are the natural costs as well? Dương.
They play a smaller role compared to human activities. Natural costs include volcanic eruptions, changes in solar radiation, and natural variations in Earth's climate cycle. But the rapid warming we see today is overwhelmingly driven by humans. Scientists agree over 97% of climate change research supports this conclusion.
Thank you, everyone. Now let's move to the second part of our discussion. How can we minimize the impact of climate change? Trâm, would you like to begin? Hoàng à?
Of course, one of the most important steps is to transition to new renewable energy, solar, wind, hydro, and biomethane power. This sort produce electricity without releasing greenhouse gas. If the government invests more in clean energies and build millions on coal and oil, emission will drop significantly, improving energy efficiency in building, factories, and transportation is also essential.
Silent Trâm, what change can individual make?
There are many small steps that add up. We can reduce our carbon footprint by using public transport, cycling, or walking, eating less meat, especially beef, avoiding single-use plastic, and buying durable, eco-friendly produce. Saving electricity at home, turning off lights, using efficient appliances, planting trees, or supporting reforestation projects. These actions not only help the planet but also encourage companies and governments to do better.
Great suggestion. Dương, what kind of the policy can government implement to reduce climate change?
Governments have a powerful role. They can introduce carbon taxes, which make pollution pay for the emissions they produce. They can also set emission limits for industries, invest in public transportation, and provide incentives for renewable energy. Urban planning also matters, creating green spaces, improving waste management, and building energy efficient in infrastructure or help minimize climate impact. International cooperation is crucial too, because climate change is global problem.
Very true. One, what about adoption strategy since climate change is already happening? How do we reduce the damage?
We need to strengthen our ability to adapt. That includes building flood defense, improving water management, designing heat-resistant infrastructure, and preparing emergency response systems for extreme weather events. Farming practices should also trend like adopting drought-resistant crop and smarter irrigation methods. Adaptation doesn't stop climate change, but it reduces harm.
Would you like ask something?
Yes, we must also focus on education and public awareness. Many people still don't understand how serious climate change is. Schools, media, and community programs can teach people how their actions matter. When the public push for change, companies and government respond.
Dương, any final thoughts before we wrap up?
Just one, addressing climate change requires a combined effort. Governments, industry, communities, and individuals all have a role. If we work together, switching to clean energy, adopting sustainable habits, and supporting strong climate policies, we can limit the impact and create a safer future.
Thank you, to all our panelists. To summarize, climate change is mainly caused by human activities such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and pollution. To minimize its impact, we must embrace renewable energy, make sustainable lifestyle choice, strengthen government policy, and prepare for the change already happening. Together, we can make a real difference.